What are you? Ah! Ah! What happened? Speak to me, please. He forcefully took advantage of me. Agbogidi, the great gods of Anuenu, you made me believe that you are my personal deity. You made me embark on this journey to my father's land. Why have you turned your back on us? What have you done to deserve this kind of treatment from the king? You told me that you and my ancestors would guide me to my father's land. Why did you leave me? Why? It's alright, it's alright.
A stubborn grasshopper ends up in a Hamatan fire. A stubborn fly goes to the grave with the carcass. I have sent warnings to you, several warnings. You turned deaf ear to all of them. Here I am. I, the ancient Agbogidi of Ogidi, ancient Agbogidi of Ogidi, ancient Agbogidi of Abo. I am here to pronounce upon you the final cause, the very final cause of your earthly existence. God. 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 God.
My king! My king! My king! My king! My king! My king! What's going on? My king! My king! My king!
Agbogidi Agbogidi Agbogidi
Banu boko bulu panan tichilia. Oh no. The saying that goes like this. It is only the stubborn fly that follows the corpse to the grave. It's not just a saying, but a reality. I warned him. I warned Ebubedike. He refused to listen. When the queen was sick, I told him. He did not listen until the queen passed on. When Enuane River dried up, I came to Ebubedike. I told him that it is a bad sign that he should do something about it. He refused. I equally told him that he should do something about his own personal deity and do everything possible to bring back Agbogidi to function. He did not just listen. He refused. And now, here he is, lying helpless, lying down without remedy. Agbogidi has inflicted him with sicknesses that could lead him to the grave. There is only one way, only one solution. And that gate of solution can only be found from the hand of the priestess of Agbogidi.
Ezedibia, you and I know that Agbogidi has no priestess.
Agbogidi has a living priestess. She is here. And she is the only one that can heal Ebubedike from this sickness.
Ezedibia, what do you mean by the priestess of Agbogidi is here? Is she within the palace?
I can feel her presence. I can see her. But I cannot say or see exactly where she is. But she is around here.
No, thank you so much. We truly appreciate you. May the gods continue to keep you safe and strong.
You see...
Nang, please, I need you to help us talk to the king about our story. He will surely come true and help us find our family. Please.
That will be difficult. The only way the king would have checked what your mother and you are saying, if they are truth, is through a god of this land known as Agbogidi. But
what?
Kambili, why can't you just calm down and listen? What is all this? Here. Oh!
No, I'm sorry.
Please, allow her. Always allow her to express herself. Her gifts and powers are obvious. As a matter of fact, it is because of her that I allowed you, both of you, into my house. If the king finds out that I accepted strangers from Isuzo, he will not like it. But anyway, when we get to that bridge, we'll speak about how to cross it. As I was saying, there was a god of this land known as Agbogidi. The king would have used the shrine to check if you are telling the truth. But for long now, many years, the shrine of Agbogidi has been abandoned.
Why?
Because after the death of the last Agbogidi priest, anybody that touches the staff of Agbogidi dies instantly. See, many people has tried, but anybody that goes and claims that I am now the priest or I am the priestess of Agbogidi, the person dies instantly. So everybody deserted Agbogidi. Nobody goes to the shrine, nobody checks, nobody touches the staff because of that untimely death that befell as many as tried.
So that means there's no other way out for us?
For now, I cannot tell. But I promise you, I'm going to speak to the king on your behalf.
Thank you, Nine.
You're welcome.
Nai, thank you so much for your hospitality.
You're welcome.
May the gods continue to bless you.
Could it be the priestess of Agbogidi is the stranger's daughter?
Where is she?
She's in the palace cell.
Order the guards to release her immediately.
Release the stranger and her daughter. Bring them here. One person. One. Ezedibia, is she the one?
Yes. She is Kambili. She is from the loins of the descendants of Agbogidi. The father is Ikemba. Ikemba is the son of Okafo. Okafo happens to be the son of Ejiofor. Ejiofor was the last priest of Agbogidi before he passed on. While he was still alive, he married the wife Ugochi for 15 years without any child. But thereafter, they had twins. Out of fear, Ugochi the wife took one of the twins away from this very kingdom and dropped that child at the boundary of his user. Unfortunately for her, upon her return back to this very kingdom, she met the child they chose to keep in this kingdom dead.
Oh.
They were childless until they passed on. Kambili here is the only person that can wield the sword of Agbogidi. She is the living descendant of Agbogidi and the only one who can take the position of the priestess of Agbogidi.
My king, I'm sorry. I do not feel too well. I won't be able to do this right now.
What do you mean? What do you mean you are not feeling fine and you won't be able to do it right now?
My king, what I said is understandable. I mean, I'm not okay. I can't do this.
Ugonwai, nothing is understandable here. We have been married for the past 3 years now without a child. So you should be ready to give it to me anywhere, any moment I want it. I want it now. Go inside now. Let us go and have it.
Why are you talking like I always deny you of your rights? And when it's not my fault that we don't have a child.
It is your fault.
No, I'm not the one to get myself pregnant.
Listen to me. I must have my way in, regardless your feelings. I don't care how you feel and whether you are strong or not. Go inside and let us go and have it in peace.
Never. I'm not an animal. I won't do this.
Are you mad?
What were you trying to do? No! What?
Yeah, we have to hurry up. Oh, you need to pluck these ones. Okay, you've already done that. Hurry up so that your father can eat.
What's mother? What's caused father this kind of strange sickness?
Nne, I wish I have an answer to your question. I do not know. This is the worst type of sickness anyone could ever have. A sickness that keeps one paralyzed and unable to move.
Does that mean father can't move again?
That is why he's taking his herbs and we're praying that he'll be able to walk again.
I can't wait for him to get back on his feet. I miss him so much.
And I miss him so much too. And we'll continue to pray to the gods that one day the herbs will work and he'll be able to walk again. Oh, go and get me water. Oh, get water for me and set the firewood. Okay. Hurry up. Hurry.
Ugowan, Asam, Omalicha William, I didn't mean to hurt you. I am sorry. Please, forgive me.
Forgive you? Forgive you for what? You hurt someone you love and you're here pleading for forgiveness. Please leave my sight.
Eh?
I would love to be left alone.
What? Is it because I am begging you? Huh? Ugowan, is it because I am begging you? You have the audacity to stand on my very before. Ezebubedike, you are asking me to leave your sight. No, as what? As your personal maid? You are guard or villagers or what? You have done the needful.
Done what needful? Letting you have your way, knowing fully well I'm not strong. Is that what you call needful?
Ugowai, come back here. Ugowai! You are walking out on me. I don't blame you. It's because I am yet to pick another wife. That is why you are misbehaving.
Ebubedike, 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 Ebubedike.
Your Highness.
I need some privacy.
Your wish is our command, Your Highness.
You can go now. left the goat here. Where is it? Someone must have entered here. My goat cannot just disappear like that. Huh? Uh-huh. These are the fruit mats. I must find it. Someone came in here and took my goat. No. No. Am I dreaming? My eyes deceiving me? Igwe. Ebubedike. The Igwe of Anienu. Stealing a goat. When I'm aware that he has a farm full of goats.
Oh no, reduce your voice. Reduce your voice. So that people will not hear you. Oh no. I was seated in my palace. Something pushed me. I tried all my best to resist it. I couldn't. Please.
It's not a dream. It's real. Something pushed you.
Yes.
Hey! Igwe! You stole a goat. A whole Igwe. Stealing a goat from his subject. What an abomination.
Oh no, please. For the sake of your daughter, my wife, I want you to protect my name. Do not let anybody hear this, please.
So, because my daughter is the queen,
yes,
I should let go and forget that this thing ever happened.
Yes. Oh no, in fact, I am promising you one plot of land.
Hey!
Let this be a secret between you and I. I don't want anybody to hear this, please. Huh?
Hey! My goat.
No,
Igwe.
Biko, I don't want any. In fact, let this be between you and I, please.
Oh, wow.
The raging seas, our tears can bring down the mountains to their knees. She walks alone and never afraid. For in her heart the girls have stayed. A sacred bond, a sacred vow. She's more than mortal even now.
Thank you.
So, can you be fine?
Save the land, save the land.
Gods of Anienu, gods of Ishiuzo, Bikonu, heal my husband. I do not want anything to happen to him, because if something should happen to him, I cannot move. I cannot move forward. I cannot do anything. Please, I beg you. Just heal him. heal him so that he can return back to his kingdom in one piece. I just want him to go back there permanently. Biko, no, just heal my husband. Why am I made to suffer so much? I'm sorry.
Are you okay, Your Highness? Yes.
Guards,
Your Highness.
I need some privacy.
Okay, Your Highness.
My king, please, what brings you to my hut?
This is my kingdom. And this is my palace. I have every right to enter any hut I want without anybody stopping me. His Royal Majesty, the King, Agbogidi Kingdom, has found favor in you. I want you to make me happy.
I'm sorry, my king. I don't understand what you're talking about.
Are you a child? Huh? I want you to make me happy now.
My king, I'm sorry. I cannot go down with the king. The king has a wife. The queen has showed us too much kindness and love. And I cannot do this to her.
Are you?
My king.
Are you mad? How dare you say no to me? Huh? Is something wrong with you? Have you forgotten that I am the king of this kingdom? I own everybody, including you, in this kingdom. How dare you say no to me? Now I order you to undress yourself now before I behead you. Drop that nonsense and undress yourself now. Undress yourself, I order you to remove this nonsense. Nonsense.
Chimo, you scared me. Who are you and where are you coming from?
I am Agbogidi, the great Agbogidi. Agbogidi of Ogidi and Agbogidi of the Agbo, the ancient deity of Anienu Kingdom. I am your personal chief. In other words, I am your personal deity.
I do not understand what you mean by you're my personal chi.
I am your personal chief. I am the mediator of your physical and spiritual beings. I am your spiritual identity, the spirit world, complementing your physical identity in the physical world.
What you're saying does not make any sense. So you're saying that you're responsible for my fortunes, my misfortunes, and my success and my failures.
I am not only responsible for all this you are mentioning, for I, being your personal chief, I operate the way you relate with me. If you bring me home, make me comfortable, feed me, then all the positive things of life, everything, every good thing life can afford, must surely be your portion. Failing which, the reverse becomes the case. Like I said, you will get to know more as time goes on. No, what?
Oh, it was a dream.
Agumba. Agumba. My husband. Agumba. 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 Somebody help me. Agumba. Agumba. Hey. Agumba. Agumba. Somebody help me. Agumba. Agumba. Wake up. Wake up.
My father. My father. My father, no!
Wake up. Kamili. Agumba. Chimu. Agumba. 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 Please wake up. Please wake up. Agumba. Hey! Chimu. Chimu. Agumba. Agumba. Ikono, wake up. Agumba. Agumba. Listen. The head somebody. Somebody help me! What is this abomination I'm hearing you did?
What abomination are you talking about?
That you raped Uzamaka, my chief maiden.
What?
Did you? Or did you not?
Where is that fool? Where is that idiot that wants to bring me down? Where is that fool that is not scared of me? Igwe Bubedike! She wants to bring me down in my own palace! Guards! Guards! Uzamaka, what is this nonsense I am hearing you said about me? That I raped you? Uzamaka, how dare you accuse me wrongly without being scared of what Eze Bubedike is going to do to you? Are you mad? I am talking to you and you're keeping me silent. Who asked you to do that? Is it talking to you and you're keeping me silent? Are you mad? Who said to you? Arrest this fool. Flog her mercilessly until she confesses. Who sent her to accuse me wrongly? No one dares insult Eze Bubedike and go scot-free. Useless maiden. Ah! Ah! No one dares! Ah!
Ebubedike, 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 Ebubedike.
Stop it this minute! How dare you? Under this rain, do you want to kill her?
My queen.
Uzamaka, I need you to tell me the truth. Did it happen?
My queen, I cannot just lie about the king. He asked me not to tell anyone about it. If not, he's going to skin me alive.
Which is what he has done. They have skinned you alive. Just look at your body. He has gotten over the king. I do not understand him anymore. He was not like this before.
My queen, please don't allow them to flog me any further.
Nobody's going to touch you again, I promise you that. I need you to do me a favor. You are going to admit you were lying. You're going to admit that the king never slept with you. Is that clear?
Why will I do that, Your Majesty?
Do you know the consequences of a king raping his subjects? The king will not fold his hands and let you bring him down.
Now listen, you are going to say that all this was a dream. Do you understand?
I am sorry, my king, for accusing you wrongly. Please forgive me, Your Highness.
Uzamaka, who asked you to do that?
Nobody, Your Highness. I had a nightmare and I thought it was real, but I just realized it was only a nightmare. Please forgive me, Your Highness. I am sorry.
Uzamaka, why will you have such nightmare? Are you now mad? Eh? Imagine Eze Ebubedike sleeping with a maiden in her dreams. That means you long had your eyes on your king.
Your Highness, please, let's not drag this any further. The most important thing is she is sorry for accusing you wrongly.
Why? Your Highness. You think it's that easy to forgive? Yes. Accusing His Royal Majesty wrongly without respect and fear.
Your Highness, please, just forgive her and let's close this case.
Okay. If I forgive her now, this case will close.
Even the gods forgives, let alone the king. Or are you guilty, my king?
I am not guilty. I am not guilty.
Then forgive her.
All right. Stand up and leave. You are forgiven.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you, Your Highness. You're welcome.
Greetings, my father.
Greetings, my daughter, Ugowany, the queen of Agbogidi Kingdom.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, my daughter. We can go inside. Whatever it is that brings a married woman to her father's house this early morning must be a very serious issue. What is it, my daughter?
Father, it's my husband, the king.
What about the king?
I don't know what he has suddenly turned into. Father, can you believe he raped the palace chief maiden and denied it?
What? Are you sure of what you just said? Rape?
Yes.
For a king to force his subject to bed is an abomination.
Father, like you said earlier, whatever brings a married woman to her father's house early in the morning, that matter is so serious. That's to tell you that I am not joking, Father.
Eze Ebubedike.
You again? I saw you not quite long in my dream. Who are you?
I've already told you who I am in your dream.
You remember my dream? I think I forgot your name. Please, can you remind me?
The ethereal, the psychic, the spiritual and the physical frequencies are different frequencies. One thing with the spirits don't alter words anyhow. Except when they have come to issue a warning about the looming danger.
Does that mean you're a spirit? What happened to my father? Why did he die after I had that dream? Why?
Your father's death is timely. Your father left the way he should go. For you to be free. for you to achieve your purpose, for you to attend to the call of Agbogidi, the great deity of your kingdom.
Kambili, who are you talking to? Who is here? Huh?
Nobody.
What is Agbogidi?
I don't know.
You were just talking to someone now. Who is the person?
Mom, I was not talking to anybody. There's nobody here.
You took your own subjects, a means to survive. Our widows and maidens are seeking a place to hide.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, my king.
Greetings, Ugumwany.
Yes, my queen.
Where are you coming from?
You
went to report me to your father?
No, I did not report you to my father. I only told him of your sudden change.
You believe what that maiden said? Ugumwany, you believe what that dirty good-for-nothing maiden said? Even if what she said was right, the best you could do is to go out and expose me?
My father is part of this family. He's the only person I could talk to ease off. Do you have an idea of how much he hurts me? Do you know how broken I am whenever I remember that my husband left me to go force a maid into bed? Not just that you slept with her, you raped her!
It was a mistake! A mistake, I promise you, it will never happen again.
Says who? A man that left his wife to go sleep with another woman will do it over and over.
Please stop this man, Ugumwany. I told you it was a mistake! A mistake that will never repeat itself again!
Kambili, I'm asking you, who were you talking to? Who was here? Kambili? Kambili? Why are you not saying anything? Kambili? Kambili, answer me. Who was here? Kambili? 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 Chimo? Chimo? Somebody! Help me! Help me, somebody!
That's my father.
He was your father. Or he is now an ancestor. Watch. Do you know her?
No, I don't. I don't know her.
She is your maternal grandmother. Your maternal grandfather would have been here, but he lived a very bad life during his time. That is why he is not here.
Why are you bringing them to me? What do you want from me?
I told you they are now ancestors. They have been appointed by the gods to watch over you, to walk with you, psychically, spiritually, traditionally, culturally, seen or unseen, known or unknown. They are always there for you. Hey, listen. They have been empowered to interpret the meaning of your existence here on this earth plane. They are you. They are you. Yes. They are here to always unfold, unveil the purpose of your life. But
what purpose are you talking about?
Hey, don't be faster than your shadow, little one. When the right time comes, the purpose will be revealed to you, and you will get to understand.
A little girl gifted by the gods. She is pure and shines like the dawn.
Welcome, mother.
Chosen by the gods, their lights on her. A spark of power in her soul.
Can't believe. You scare me. What has come over you? Who were you discussing with a while ago? Who was here? What were you people discussing? And why were your eyes that way? What is happening? Please talk to me.
Mother, I am as confused as you are. I am not to understand anything.
I see! That's a big lie. Don't lie to me, oh. Please talk to me. I'm your mother. You are my daughter. I gave birth to you. Pico, what is going on? You're acting strangely, and your strangeness started the moment your father fell sick. Can you please talk to me?
Mother, I'm not lying. I don't understand anything.
Hi.
And yes, I started having this strange feeling since father felt sick. And a while ago, I had a dream when a strange man appeared to me. He appeared to me physically, saying he was my chief. And some other ancestors appeared to me saying they were my chief. And I do not understand them.
Wait, you mean your chi and the ancestors appeared to you?
Yes, they appeared to me here, and they were saying that they were my chief. That's what they said.
Ezedibia, what is wrong with my beloved daughter? She was very strong and healthy when she visited me a few days ago. Now, what went wrong?
No, I must confess, I don't understand what is wrong with your daughter. The sickness is strange, very strange.
Ezedibia, what are you talking about? If you cannot find out what is wrong with my beautiful wife, you should at least find out what caused it.
Ezebubedike, as you're the kata, kata, where's Enkebezioku? Whatsoever that is happening within you, your surroundings, and the entire royal household has connectivity with Agbogidi and the gods of Anieno. Ezebubedike, if I may ask, what have you with Agbogidi?
Agbogidi that was abandoned before I was born. I remember my father telling me when I was still young that Agbogidi has refused to choose a priest or a priestess to serve them since the last priest died. My father said whoever touches the staff of Agbogidi dies instantly. I have nothing to do with Agbogidi. That is why I avoided them. I don't want to die young, yet in the hands of Agbogidi. And I have been telling you, Ezebubedike, that Agbogidi was abandoned before your birth does not stop Agbogidi from existing.
Ebeo! Asi atolo omalo, and atolo feke. Ezebubedike, if I must tell you, Agbogidi is your personal deity. Agbogidi reincarnated you. Agbogidi wants to be enshrined in this very palace by you to be appeased and be made relevant. All these I expected from you by Agbogidi.
Ezedibia, does it mean that Agbogidi inflicted this disease on my beloved daughter just to get to the king?
Oh no, let me repeat myself once again. Asi atuolo malo, omala atuolo feko felisi fenofia. Atuolo madinu kowari imane egwejuwe enu nye megene. Oh no. As I said, Ezebubedike is expected to bring back the reign of Agbogidi in Enuane. Everything happening to Ezebubedike and the royal household comes from Agbogidi. I may take my leave. I have spoken.
Ebubedike, I really think you should do something about Agbogidi. I strongly believe something is terribly wrong somewhere, considering all that has been happening. What are the things that have been happening, Onowu? Okay. The strange illness that befell my daughter, the stealing, the sleeping with young girls. Okay, you don't know I know about that. The hardship in the kingdom and other things. Onowu, all this you just mentioned happened on their own. It has nothing to do with Agbogidi. Onowu, I don't want to die in the hands of Agbogidi. I wasn't the one who brought those deities. I see no reason I should be the one to go and revive it. Ebubedike, Ezedibia said that it is Agbogidi that reincarnated you. You need to settle Agbogidi. You need to revive Agbogidi. You need to set a shrine for Agbogidi somewhere in the palace. Did you not hear all these ones? Oh no, I can't revive a deity I didn't bring. I wasn't the one who brought them. It wasn't in my time they were abandoned. I see no reason why I should be the one to go and revive it, like I said. If you want to do it yourself, or no, fine. And keep it in your own compound, not here. Ezebubedike, all I'm asking is for my beloved daughter to get well. What is happening to me? Gods of my land. What is going on? What is happening to me? Where is my beautiful Lolo? What is going on? What is going on? What am I hearing? What is going on? Where is my beloved daughter? Huh? Hey! Hey! Ojimo Walete! Hey! Gods of our land! Gods of our new kingdom! What have I done to deserve this? What is my crime? What is my offense? My only daughter. Why did you not take me and let her be? Hey, my only daughter, my daughter go why? Why would you take her at this point in time? Why did you not take me and let my daughter be? My young daughter. Hey, who go why? What is hey? Ojime Walete, Ojime Walete, Nde hurum n'anya Walete, Nde kpọrọ masị Walete. Ezebubedike, what did you say happened to my daughter? My only daughter, Ezebubedike. Hey! Oh. Hey, my only daughter! The only one, there are not two! What is happening? Igwe Ebubedike has been a good king since his father passed and he took over. He is brave. He is smart, though stubborn. Why has he refused to look into Agbogidi issues? Why does he pay deaf ears to anything that concerns Agbogidi? Could it be because of the story he said that his father told him about Agbogidi refusing to have a priest or a priestess when he was much younger? Could it be that he grew up with the fear that anyone who touches Agbogidi's staff dies instantly? As the Onowu of this kingdom, it is an abomination for me to fold hands and watch things go wrong day after day.
I remember telling you in the past that the reason other children will not play with you is because we are outcasts. But the truth is, your father, my husband, is the outcast precisely. I was ostracized from associating myself with anyone in the community because I forcefully married him, although there was no marriage. My family and the entire village had to ostracize me for going against the rules. That is the truth.
Is that why no one has come to see why we have been crying?
That's why. If anyone comes anywhere close to this compound, they too will be ostracized.
Mother, can you tell me how far father's village is?
Your father is from Anienu, not too far from here. We share the same boundary.
How can a child world such a might? Our voice can calm the raging seas. Our tears can bring down the mountains to their knees. She walks alone and never afraid. Throwing her heart, the girls have stayed. A sacred bond, a sacred
Thank you, my
vow.
daughter.
She's
Come.
more than mortal even now. Can't believe
I want us to return to my father's kingdom. We can't continue staying here. It won't help us.
That would be great.
Yes, and even though going back to your father's place is not bad, but the issue is that I do not know there. He doesn't even know his roots. He has once tried it, but they saw him as a liar and they sent him away.
No, I do not understand what you mean by he does not know his roots.
Your father is from Anienu community, quite alright, but he does not know his family or the names of any of his relatives.
How come he knows he's from Anienu and still doesn't know about his family or names of his relatives?
He once told me that he was raised in this kingdom, that the person that raised his father is a hunter. The hunter one night was in the bush hunting and he saw a woman carrying a child. The woman placed the child at the boundary between this community and Anienu and left the child there. So he picked up the child and that child happens to be your grandfather.
This is serious.
I really don't think we should continue staying here. Because it is not all right. I mean, It's better that we stay in Aninu as outcasts than staying here. Nobody wants us here. Imagine you and I being the only ones burying your father. Nobody to help, nobody to run to.
Alright, Nene, we will go there.
But first, I need to help you settle your chi. Yes. Because your chi has been appearing to you physically and in your dreams. We need to settle him. Maybe that's the reason you keep on falling sick. We'll do that before we embark on the journey. Inugo?
Thank you very much.
Everything will be okay.
Oh?
The gods of Isiuzo and Anienu, the gods for peace and progress, I beseech you, I bring you my daughter and her offering, begging and requesting that you please guide her in every step of her way.
Isi.
Please, fight her cause and help her achieve her purpose in life.
Isi.
Ajanu no so aja wara ajanu no so aja wara ajanu na manu aja wara ajandi ibu aja wara ajamuneke aja wara ajamunore aja wara ajamunafa aja wara ajamunanko aja wara ajamunenu aja wara ajamunana aja wara ajamunikuku aja wara ajamunamili aja wara ajamunoku aja wara ajanu no aja wara wara.
In the heart of the forest, a little girl gifted by the gods. She is pure and shines like the dawn, chosen by the gods, your light on her. A spark of power in her soul, a gift divine beyond control. Our steps are washed, our feet is sealed, a child of destiny revealed. Cambilio.
Are you done? Did you drop it exactly where I said you should? Oh, wow. Okay, let me go and get our food so we can eat. Oh, you've done well. I'll be back.
Kambili, my child, your sacrificial ritual has been accepted by the gods. Agbogidi, your personal chi, is so pleased with you. And you have finally been chosen as the new priestess of our Nigerian kingdom.
How is that even possible when I don't know where Anilu is?
That
question is irrelevant at the moment. When the time comes, the master will appear. When the time comes, your ancestors will guide you. Visible and invisible ancestors will guide you safely back home to your fatherland. Go well, my child.
Who was that?
It was my chief. He said the rituals have been accepted by the gods.
Thank the gods. Thank the gods and our ancestors.
And he said I'm the new priestess of Anienu Kingdom.
Asikwa. Hey!
And my ancestors will guide me to Anienu Kingdom.
Oh, Kandili Mama. I am so proud of you. And soon, we will be on our way to Anienu. Help! My priestess, come here.
She walks alone and never afraid, throwing her heart the girls are stayed. A sacred bond, a sacred vow. She's more than mortal, even now.
Agbogidi, please show us the right way to Anienu. Show us the right path to Anienu, please.
Kambili, my daughter, go this way. Go well, my child.
You're blessed by the God. You are the chosen one. Chosen one.
You are obviously from Isuzo. What do you want from the palace of Anienu?
We're here to see the king.
Why do you seek to see the king?
We are here to identify with our people, for we are from Anienu.
You are here to identify with your people. How? I don't understand.
Please, grant us access to see the king so we can explain all this to him. Maybe after that you understand what we're talking about.
Well, you need to make me understand first before you can see the king.
Please, if you grant us access, I'll be able to explain all this to him and then you can understand. Please.
It doesn't really work that way. Come back here. Where are you going to?
Please, we need to see the king.
You cannot see the king until I grant you access to the palace. See!
Don't touch me!
Stay here! What is don't touch me? Don't you have respect?
Do you know how long it takes from Isuzo to Anienu? We are tired and hungry.
Does this place look like a kitchen to you? You cannot see the king until I say so. You need to tell me your purpose first.
Please. Please. I can't believe...
Okay, what?
Can't believe...
What is going on there?
Your Highness, they are strangers from Isuzo, insisting to see you without proper explanation.
Stand. Who are you and what brings you to my kingdom?
My name is Ugochi, and here with me is my daughter Kambili. I'm from Isuzo, married to a man from Anienu, though he passed on a few days ago.
Nobody died in my kingdom few days ago. Who is your husband and which family is he from?
My husband's name is Ikemba, son of Okafo. His father Okafo was born and raised in Anienu community. He was picked by a hunter at the boundary between Anienu and Isuzo. A woman dropped him at night. The hunter picked him and raised him.
Your story is not genuine. I refuse to believe you.
Is there anything you want us to do for you to believe the story we just told you? Or will you discharge us back to Isuzo, where we came back from? Where we are seen as outcasts?
There is no need for confirmation. Like I said, your story is not genuine. I want you out of my palace immediately and never come back again.
I'm not leaving my father's land. This is my father's land. Mother, let me speak. I belong to Nigerian Kingdom and I'm not going anywhere.
Biko,
Who is this one?
she's my daughter.
Who are you to challenge me?
I'm sorry, please. She's only a child, Biko. I told you to be quiet.
Take these things out of my palace immediately.
Biko, please.
Get them out of here!
We can't be. We don't know where to go. Please, no! Don't touch her! Biko, we are leaving. Leave my daughter! Eh? What has come over you? Why did you speak to them in that manner? You are a child, have you forgotten? You're not meant to speak to elders like that, not even the king. Why are you putting us in this trouble?
I'm so sorry, Mother. I don't know what came over me. Immediately we were thrown out of there, I regained myself.
Have you seen it? Hi.
I'm sorry.
It's alright. It's alright. Hi.
What are we going to do now?
What else? We have to keep going back to the palace until they listen to us and give us a place to stay.
Okay, Mother. Sorry. I promise I'll never do it again.
I've heard you. Oh, now listen to me. We will go back there, and when we get there, you have to apologize to the king. Inugo.
Yes.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes.
What did I say?
You said when I get there, I have to apologize to the king.
That's my girl.
Oh no, before I forget. A woman and her daughter was here earlier today. And she was complaining seriously that a father to her husband was dropped at the boundary between us and his user at childbirth. A hunter from his user picked him and trained him. I think the same woman is here.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, elders of Nigerian Kingdom.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, elders of Nigerian Kingdom.
Woman, I want you to repeat what you said earlier today.
You are not at war with my mother and I don't see any reason why you wouldn't respond to a greeting from an innocent woman and a child.
Stop this.
I'm sorry, my child. You see, our king was just telling us about you and your mother before you just walked in. It is curiosity that made me not to answer your greetings. I'm talking of myself. I don't know about others. But I believe it is the same curiosity that happened to them. No. Who is she that you are explaining all that to? Eh? You are even apologizing to her.
Please, my king, do not take a child's words to heart, please. I'm sorry on her behalf. She didn't mean what she said, believe me.
This woman, I want you out of my palace immediately before I lose my temper. Leave here immediately.
Sorry, Biko.
Get this woman out of this palace now. Get out of my palace now.
She's only a child, Biko.
Leave. Is it not better we find out their reason for coming first? Who they are? Are they telling the truth or not? Yes.
Demanding even more.
What is wrong with you? Huh? Why are you putting us into more trouble? Is that what I asked you to say? I said when we get there, that you should apologize. And then we go, then you even put more salt into injury. What is it?
Mother, stop blaming me. It's not my fault. Stop acting as if you don't know your daughter again. I lose control of myself in most cases like this. What I say is not within my power. It's not my fault.
One of the elders are coming. Greetings, Nine.
Greatest nine.
Greetings, my children. How are you?
What?
You are not fine.
Huh?
We are not fine. What can be worse than being rejected by your own kingdom? We've been in issues though, and we're treated like outcasts. My mother was barred from associating with the villagers because she was married to an outcast. And here I am in my own father's land, yet I feel like an outcast too.
Come with me.
Oh no, thank you so much. We truly appreciate you. May the gods continue to keep you safe and strong.
You see,
Nine. Please, I need you to help us talk to the king about our story. He will surely come true and help us find our family. Please.
that will be difficult. The only way the king would have checked what your mother and you are saying, if they are truth, is through a god of this land known as Agbogidi. But
what?
Kambili, why can't you just calm down and listen? What is all this? Yeah. Oh!
No, I'm sorry.
please allow her. Always allow her to express herself. Her gifts and powers are obvious. As a matter of fact, it is because of her that I allowed you, both of you, into my house. If the king finds out that I accepted strangers from Isuzo, he will not like it. But anyway, when we get to that bridge, we'll speak about how to cross it. As I was saying, there was a god of this land known as Agbogidi. The king would have used the shrine to check if you are telling the truth. But for long now, many years, the shrine of Agbogidi has been abandoned.
Why?
Because after the death of the last Agbogidi priest, anybody that touches the staff of Agbogidi dies instantly. See, many people has tried, but anybody that goes and claims that I am now the priest or I am the priestess of Agbogidi, the person dies instantly. So everybody deserted Agbogidi. Nobody goes to the shrine, nobody checks, nobody touches the staff because of that untimely death that befell as many as tried.
So that means there's no other way out for us?
For now, I cannot tell. But I promise you, I'm going to speak to the king on your behalf.
Thank you, Nine.
You're welcome.
Nine, thank you so much
You're
for your
welcome.
hospitality.
You're welcome.
May the gods continue to bless you.
It's a...
Is there any problem, my child?
The king asked us to leave. He will not accept us. If not for Onowu, hunger would have killed us.
No. No! The king has no right to reject you. He has no option than to accept you. Now take this message to the king. Tell him I said that he has to appease his personal chief. He has to do the needful. Let him revive the shrine of Agbogidi right there within the palace. By so doing, Agbogidi's shrine will become functional and everything will flow within and outside the palace. Take this message to the king.
The king will not allow the guards let me into the palace.
He has no option. Go! Send this message across.
And where do you think you're going?
I have a message for the king.
Come back here. I won't let you go there. I won't let you go back to that palace and end up speaking to the king in the manner you always do. He doesn't like it and you know that. We have to wait for Onowu to return so we know our stand. You're not going anywhere.
Chai! Ezebubedike.
What is it?
He insists that you return back to Isuzo. He thinks you are spies sent from Isuzo land to spy our land.
Spy what?
Yeah? Kambili, come back here! Where is she going? Kambili! Kambili, don't say anything to provoke the king!
I thought I want Onowu to send this very child and her mother out of this kingdom as soon as he gets home. What are you doing here?
A stingy man can't be kind to people. A man who can't see what is happening around him can't be a good leader. Have you ever asked yourself what is happening around you? Not to talk about the people of your kingdom. You think to be a leader is all about bragging and muscles and forcing things on people's heads.
Watch your mouth. Watch your tongue before I cut it off.
Agbogidi wants you for the last time. Revive his shrine and make it functional for the people. And as for you, since you chose death over your personal deity, a strange sickness from Agbogidi awaits you. I pray you survive it.
Ah!
Oh, great king.
How did he go? I hope you were not hurt.
Huh? I'm fine, nobody touched me.
Okay, what about the message? Did the king accept it?
The king is a very stubborn man. I pray his stubbornness doesn't send him to his early grave.
That means he did not accept the message.
I don't know, I just sent the message and left.
Anyways, I thank the gods that you were not hurt. That's what matters to me the most.
Child of destiny revealed. Gambilio. Gambili. 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 Gambilio. Gambilio. Gambili. Gambilio. Gambilio. Save the land. Save the land. You are blessed by the gods. You are nurtured by the gods. You are blessed by the gods. You are the chosen one. Chosen one.
God! God!
Join us. Join us.
I want an arrest of that strange woman and her daughter immediately.
Okay, Your Highness.
Good. No one dares me. I am Eze Ebubedike and Atumakaniru.
Once a protector,
They will explain.
now a tyrant's bold.
He's lucky. Agbogidi is his personal deity. If not, he would have been long gone. Please, I need you to help me warn the king. Agbogidi is very angry with him. Agbogidi has warned him many times, but he doesn't listen.
Are you saying Agbogidi is the reason for all that has been going wrong in the palace?
Yes. Agbogidi is the reason he lost his wife. And his wife couldn't have children. And is the reason he steals from his royal subjects. And Agbogidi is also the reason he takes advantages of widows and young girls.
He sleeps with the widows too?
Yes.
Hi.
He does and buys them up with gifts. But Agbogidi is coming with a very strange sickness. I'm not sure he can survive it.
This is serious. It is well. Everything will work out fine. So you don't have any cause for alarm.
Greetings, Ono.
Greetings. How are you?
I am fine, Ono. The king orders the arrest of stranger and her child.
Why? The king cannot arrest them. This woman and her child, they are telling the truth. They are from this kingdom. The king cannot arrest them.
The king's order must be carried out, Ono.
Oh no. Oh no, please. Don't allow him to arrest us. Don't let him hurt my daughter and I.
Don't worry. No harm shall befall you. No one will touch you. I'm coming with you. Please, let no harm befall them. Let's go. Let's go.
You don't deserve such treatment. Why we made to pass such torture? Why?
Mother, we just have to endure it.
Endure? Can't believe for how long? How long?
It's destined by the gods. Ask the gods that question. It's so unfortunate that it's me coming you instead of the other way around.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just feel that we do not deserve to go through this torture.
You can't continue detaining them. Release them and let them go back to where they came from. Oh no. I am not releasing those strangers until they confess their mission in Anienu Kingdom. There is nothing to confess. I can see that little girl. She is an offspring of Anienu Kingdom. She is our daughter. No, do you have any evidence? Since there is no evidence, release them and let them go back to issues of kingdom. Fine. Oh no. Since there is no evidence, I am not releasing them. They will remain there until they confess why they are here. Okay. It's all right. Continue detaining them until one of them dies in your custody. Then shall you know the true color of issues of people. I am not scared of issues of people. Even without a priest or priestess of Agbogidi, it is only a man that has not witnessed war that calls for war, even without fighting materials. Continue detaining them, Your Majesty. I am Agbogidi. I'm not scared of war.
Daughter of Agbogidi, on behalf of this very kingdom, I am pleading with you to forgive us for the maltreatment that was meted on you and your mother. Do find it possible to accept us. Everything that was done to you when you decided to return to your father's kingdom. Forgive us.
King Ebubedike is a very stubborn man who thinks he knows it all. It's the reason why all this have been happening to this kingdom. He has been warned so many times, but he didn't listen. Now he has to face its consequences.
Daughter of Agbogidi, in your capacity as the living priestess of Agbogidi, You are the only one that can heal him. Yes, he has overstepped. He has done a lot of wrongs. But with you here with us, you can heal him. Forgive him and find a way you can plead with Agbogidi to forgive his wrongs so that you can bring him back to a better health. Please, I beg you, on behalf of this very kingdom.
It's not in my power. It is in the power of Agbogidi. He has to accept his chi. Welcome his chi. Feed his chi. And ask for forgiveness from Agbogidi. And revive the shrine of Agbogidi and make it functional.
As you have seen that King Agbogidi is critically ill, how is he going to appease his chi?
He has to admit with his mouth and spirits that he has accepted his chi.
Agbogidi, you have been hearing all that has been said. Are you now ready to accept your chi and make amends?
I know. Yes. I know, yes.
He has accepted. It is done. It is done.
He say it is well with our kingdom.
The gods of Agbogidi, I stand on my feet to present you these materials to perform my first assignment. You said you will guide me to my father's land. And here I am. Agbogidi. Agbogidi Chimo! Help me purify the king.
Where's everybody? What's going on? What just happened? Help her, bring her up.
The baby you were carrying is my own. Oh, I treasure.
Are you okay?
Love. The weight of my
Mother,
sins are so
you're pregnant.
heavy. I see through your eyes. A
I
love
think
that
so.
I took for
My mother is pregnant for the king.
Where's everybody?
Love more. You are the only one for me.
Since you have now accepted Agbogidi as your chi, you may now live in peace. Agbogidi will grant you success and progress.
Little girl gifted by the gods. She is pure and shines like the dawn. Chosen by the gods, your lights on
This your constant sickness I do not understand anymore. Since I gave birth to you from one sickness to another, what is all this? What is the problem? I'm beginning to think that it's because of your sickness that your father developed that ailment. Please now, get well. You people should not abandon me. Oh. I'll just die. You people should not abandon me.
I'm so sorry, Mother, for putting all this stress on you. I promise at some time I'll get well and I'll never be sick again.
When? Can't believe when? You keep saying this. Yet, each time you get better, you fall sick again, and this has been going for the gods know when. When? When will you be fine? Please now, have you forgotten? It's because of you and your father that he banished me from my land. Now you people want to abandon me. It's not possible. I will die. I will kill myself. We'll all go to the land of the dead. I'll go.
No, Mother, I'll never leave you. And I pray people of the kingdom will accept you back.
Nebikono, oh, please, get well soon. Get well soon, oh.
I will, Mother. I promise.
I believe you. I believe you. The gods will grant your wish. You'll be alright. You and your father. Go.
Village wonders at her side. How can a child wield such a mind?
The one who was once rejected is now being accepted. The one who was once an outcast is now about to be a queen. I can't believe my destined child. I bless the day I had you. I bless the day I accepted to marry your father regardless. And I bless the day that I gave birth to you all by myself in that bush. You were such a blessing to me.
Ugochi, please, forgive me.
I forgive you, my king.
You are the treasure.
Anienu kwenu. Yeah. Kwenu. Yeah. Kwenu. Yeah. It is well for us. It is very, very well.
Don't leave me away, baby more. Ifunanya more, love more. Don't leave me away, baby more, because ifunanya more, love more. Don't leave me away, baby more. Ifunanya more, love more. Don't leave me away, baby more, because